Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Locke from Nightmare Before Christmas. Before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe. All of that is really helpful to the channel and I really appreciate it. Alright, so to start drawing Locke, I'm going to do the eyes. So I'm going to do a little like lemon shape, kind of a squat lemon, and then give it a little bit of space and do another squat up lemon shape. So inside those shapes, we'll do like a little circle, and that can be colored in all black. And I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. I'm going to make it more of a black line around the eyes, around the bottom, and on the top. Alright, next thing, let's do the nose. So starting here in the middle between the eyes, I'm going to come on down with a straight line, and then I'm going to branch off on both sides, and then do a little bottom here, so we kind of have like a triangle shape. And then we're going to slant on downward with this line, and same over here. So we kind of have 3 triangles. Next, we're going to do a smile. It's going to be really slanted. So great big smile like that. And now it's going to be an open mouth smile. It's pretty wide. And now I'm going to fill it up with sharp, pointy teeth. So you can make these teeth big, small, up to you. Okay, now let's do the mask, the shape of the mask. So above the eyes, let's do a line. And then we can do a horn. Same on this side. And now let's bring down this line. And we're going to do a line right here too. So now we've got the mask part finished. And now we can have a little ear poking out on this side and one on this side. We can put a little curve here in both of the ears. And now let's do the rest, the body. So let's bring a line down here and bring it across. And you see I didn't do it perfectly straight. I kind of did a bit of a curve. And got a little bit of a shoulder here. And bring a line down. And let's have the hand behind the back. So maybe he's hiding something. And this arm, we can bring it down. And a little curve here for a sleeve. And we'll have a little thumb and hand here. And now let's do pants. So a line here, a line right here, a line right here, and right here. And there are some curved, kind of pointy shoes. So we'll do a little pointy curve here. And then the bottom of the shoe. Bring this up. And I'm going to do a line right here and bring that up and connect that to the pant. And we'll finish off that line there for the shoe. And right here, we'll finish off this pant leg and bring that line up. And now we'll have a pointy shoe, so we'll curve this up and bring this line down. And he's got a little devil tail as well. So I'll bring a line right here, a little curve, and another little one that follows what we just did, and a little triangle, a little pointy spot right up here. And there we go, we've got the tail. All right, so we are finished our drawing, and now we'll get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished drawing Locke. Thank you very much for drawing with me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for our next drawing. All right, everyone, goodbye.